Hello friend, this is Jimmy from Can Haven Immigration Canada. This video is regarding Nova Scotia's latest PNP draw in which they have invited programmers and media developers. So express entry candidates were invited in Nova Scotia's labor market priority stream draw. This draw took place on October the 22nd. Let's go into the detail about this one. So the only unique thing about this one is that the Nova Scotia did this draw. They only took the candidates from one NOC code, the NOC 2174 for the computer programmers and interactive media developers. So among the other thing they have looked in this draw, the candidate need to provide a letter of reference from their employers to prove that they have 3 years or more of full-time or equivalent part-time experience. This work experience must have been done within the last 5 years when they applied or they sent their application. They also need to have 1 year of Canadian work experience in any of the occupation of O, A, and B category of the NO code. The CLB level of minimum 7 in all English or French language abilities. Candidate need to have at least bachelor's degree or completed another post-secondary program of at least 3 years. And the deadline to apply for the provincial nomination was November 2020. This not was the candidates who have got the nomination now, they have the time till November 21 to apply for this with the complete documents. So these were the few criteria. So they only selected one category this time. They are doing very unique draws. If we look at the last draw, that was only for the trade skill people with the CLB level of 5. In this one, they got all the candidates with the CLB level of 7 or more in English and French. So if you have bachelor's degree, 3+ year of experience and 1 year experience in Canada on NOC 0, A or B level, then you are eligible. So this was the labor market priority stream. So out of this, if you think what was the main thing in this draw, only the candidates who are working within Canada at this moment, they got invited under this category and this draw from Nova Scotia. So again, as I was telling a lot of people, the IT is the main drawing force at this moment for Canada's PNPs. IT, accounting, healthcare, and the truck driving or the frontline workers in the transportation industry. If you are in any of these categories, the PR is not very hard for you guys. You need to have all your documents in a row. Make sure you have all the criteria met. You have your English language, French ability score. Then getting a PNP at this moment is not very hard. It's really, really easy for any of you guys who submit their application properly. I've seen some candidate who didn't submit their all the experience certificate or all the degree or diploma certificate, then they keep on waiting and the draw just pass by. So make sure when you're doing it, application, do it completely. If you need any help, you can hire any consultant or a lawyer, they can help you. We also do this work, so anybody can help you, but make sure you go with the licensed professional who have a knowledge about what they are doing. So I'll keep you guys updated if there'll be anything else comes up. Till then, you guys all have a good day. Thank you.